Hello everybody, this is the iPhone channel here. Over here is the iPhone 17, over here is the iPhone Air, over here is the iPhone 17 Pro, and over here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And today I'm going to unbox all four of them and show you guys what it looks like before setting it up. So why not? Let's go. First off, let's start with the regular 17. Now over here it is the regular 17. Now this is Miss Blue 256 gigs. And why not? I'm just going to take off the peelings over here. And over here it is, the regular 17. Now this does look sort of similar to that of the 16, but I'm just going to take off this and I'm going to power it on. And in here you would find USB-C to USB-C, and over here is the owner's manual. And yes, this is what the whole box looks like. Quite Spartan compared to some of the older iPhones. No more stickers. And over here it is, the regular 17. Now next up we have the iPhone Air. Now this is the thinnest iPhone, not only in sale, but ever, as this iPhone is only 5.6 millimeters thick. I'm not even joking. Now let's unwrap it over here. And yeah, even the box itself is thin, to be honest. And over here is the iPhone Air. And yes, it is really thin. And it only has one camera lens over here. As you guys can see, this is what the design looks like. And inside you would find, I do believe, this is a USB-C to USB-C. And over here is the owner's manual for the iPhone. So I'm just going to brush it off to the side. And yes, this over here is the Apple logo. And I'll show you guys hello, yes. So why not? Let's move on to the next phone. Now over here is the iPhone 17 Pro. Now this is in orange over here. As you guys can see, ceramic orange. And why not? I'm just going to unwrap it again. And open the package. Now this package is a bit heavier, but definitely not as heavy as that of the 17 Pro Max. And over here is the 17 Pro. As you guys can see, a new design. And why not? Let's power on the phone, shall we? And yes, this over here is the USB-C to USB-C. And over here is the owner's manual for the iPhone. And why not? I'm just going to brush this off to the side. And over here is the 17 Pro. And why not? I'm just going to move on to the 17 Pro Max. And last up is the 17 Pro Max over here. Now, why not? I'm just going to open it. Now this is in a bigger storage capacity because I cannot find the base storage capacity. All of these have sold out in my local store. And as you guys can see, it is a deep blue. So I'm just going to unwrap it. Now this is going to be the heaviest phone out of all. Definitely far heavier and thicker than that of the 17 Air. And yeah, I'm just going to open the package. And yes, you can see the 17 Pro Max over here. And why not? I'm just going to power on the device. Now over here is the USB-C to USB-C, and over here is the owner's manual again. And yes, I'm just gonna wait for the phone to turn on and show you guys the welcome screen. Okay guys, over here is the welcome screen. Hello, and why not? I'm gonna set it up and see you guys later. Okay guys, I finished setting up all of these phones, and over here are all of the four iPhones, from the iPhone 17 to the iPhone Air to the iPhone 17 Pro to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Over here is the regular 17, and yes, this is what the new iOS 26 UI looks like. And over here is the iPhone Air. As you guys can see, quite thin. And why not? I'm just going to close. And yes, as you guys can see, this over here is the new UI. And lastly, these are the two Pro models. Over here is the iPhone 17 Pro in orange. And yes, as you guys can see, this is the new UI. And lastly, over here is the 17 Pro Max. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. And the next video will be a review of each of these iPhones.